Tired of information overload? Our AI content summarizer is your personal knowledge assistant. Just pass a long article, a document, or even entire book and get a concise, accurate summary in seconds. Plus, you can switch between Latin and Cyrillic script with a single click, making it effortless to read in your preferred format. Turn your words into captivating video. Imagine transforming a text summary into professional video with an AI avatar.
Ushbu maqola sun'iy intellekt dasturlarining hayotimizga ta'siri, O'zbekistonda bu sohani rivojlantirish strategiyalari.
It's perfect for creating an engaging content all without needing a camera or studio. Whether you are in a meeting or giving a lecture, our SAT technology captures every word with incredible accuracy. Simply upload an audio file.
Voy, qarang, bu safar hammasi juda yaxshi chiqibdi. Zo'r bo'ldi. Chin dildan quvonaman.
Or record directly in the app. Assalomu alaykum. Bugungi kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. Assalomu alaykum. Bugungi kuningiz xayrli bo'lsin. It's not just a transcription, it's a productivity booster, saving you hours of manual work. Give your text a voice. Bring your documents to life with our natural sounding text-to-speech technology. Choose from multiple voices, including different tones and emotions, and transform any text into high-quality audio.
Men bunday bo'lishini kutmagandim. Hammasi buzildi. Bu safar loyiha yakunlandi.
Berdak, telefonimda ruxsat ish qilolmadi deb nechta marta aytganman senga?
Make your content audible and engaging for everyone. Struggling with studying complex topics, stuck on a project, or studying for an exam? Just enter a topic and watch as our AI organizes the information for you. We have a lot of services like this tool for brainstorming, studying, and structuring your ideas easily.